Hello everyone, Mubarick here. Today I want to show you how you can completely remove the background in a picture. Perhaps you want to use this picture in a web, PowerPoint presentation, email, or you can even save it as PNG and use it wherever you want. This is a tutorial for you. Here of course I'm providing you with two options. Option 1, you can do it only on your PC. Option 2, you can do it both on your PC and your phone. Windows 10 offers a free inbuilt software where you can remove the background of the picture. So this is the picture. We are interested in removing the background of it. So here we go to the taskbar on the taskbar and type paint 3D. So we select the best match. So once it appeared, we click on new. So when this happens, we have different options on our menu. We also have everything here. So we just pick the picture. So we click and drag the picture. So let's click and drag the picture onto this surface. So once we click it, the picture is now moved. So we have different options here, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to remove the background of this picture. So we are going to pick on Magic Select. So once we select on Magic Select, something like this will happen. So let's drag and narrow the image to this. We are interested in removing this image only. So something like this is okay. So let's press on next. So here the computer software have done its best of removing an aspect of the image, but it has not done it entirely. So we are going to use the add and the remove button to refine our cutout. So here we are going to use the remove to remove this area that has not yet been added on the background and this side too. So let's click on remove. So as we press on remove, this side has not yet been added to the background. So we do it. This side has also not yet been added to the background. So do it. And this side of the hand has also not yet been added to the background. So we also do this. So now we can see a little button here. The software has mistakenly put this cloth with the white background. So let's also do something a little there. Now we are able to successfully cut out the image that we want to remove from the background. So here we have the option of either checking autofill background or unchecking it. So what autofill background means basically is when we move this image at the end, the background will be maintained, replacing the area of the image that has been moved. And when we uncheck it, the entire background will just vanish when we are done with the work. So for the purpose of this presentation, let's maintain it as checked. So when we click on done, so now our image has been successfully cut out. So now we can move it around and see how the image is going. So here you can see the background of the image, and where the image was previously placed has been replaced by the background of the picture. So here, right after we are done here, we are interested in saving this image. So in saving it, we just have to right click it and select on copy. So once we are done, let's go and open another Paint 3D. So we go to the taskbar again, type Paint 3D. So once it opens, we go on pick the best match wait for it a little so it opens. We click on new. So here on this interface we are coming to paste the image that we previously removed the background and copy it. So here we right click again and come and click on paste. So now the image has been pasted here. Of course you can see without any background. So here you can go ahead and save this image by pressing menu, select menu. So when you select on menu, then you go to save as. So the save as, here we are offered with options on the format you want to save the image, whether as an image or video 3D project. So here is an image. Click on image. Then here we can select and paste it on the desktop. So here we are going to save it on the desktop. So let's save it as picture without background. So and the save as type here, of course we are maintaining as PNG, transparent background. So we quickly go and click on save. So once this is done, of course now the picture is here, save as background. So we can then go ahead and close this window and also go and close this. Now here is the picture we have with the background. This is the picture we have with the background, and this is also the picture we just saved without the background. Of course you can see the two images are distinct. And of course this image you can go ahead and place it on your Word, your Office, on your everywhere. I said earlier, the second option you can do it both on your PC and your phone. So let's start on the PC. So on our PC we go to, this is the image of course that we want to remove the background once again. So here we go to our normal browser, and on the address bar we type Google. So we open our Google search engine. So whilst we wait for our Google search engine, so now our Google search engine is done. So we type remove background. So we pick our best match, the first one, and pick it. So when it comes, we'll have, I think the first one, which is remove.bg. So that's the link we are going to pick. So we select on remove.bg. So while the windows appear, we go to click and drag the picture you want to remove the background onto this interface. So you can see drop image anywhere. So we just drop it. So for some seconds, less than 5 seconds, so let's wait for it. So our image has now been dropped and the image background has been removed. So of course here too you see some portions on the image has not yet entirely been removed. So we can go to the edit button and click on edit. So when we click on edit, we have options here where you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can also go to check the colors if you want to change the colors. Here our interest here is to use the erase to clean the blemish size that has not yet been removed. So here we can reduce the image size here so that will not enter into the particular object we want to remove the background. So let's quickly just remove. So of course now we are able to, we can go ahead and download this image that we are. So we click on download, then we click on download image. So once this download is done, we can go ahead and open it. So when we open, of course now our image too has now been successfully been done. We have removed entirely the background of the image as PNG without having to worry about anything. On your phone, just go to Google, Chrome, or any browser that you have at your disposal. Open your browser and go to google.com. In the search engine, type remove background and pick the best option. So once it comes, the first, as I showed earlier in the PC, remove.bg, you pick that best option, you wait for it to load, then you go and press on upload image. So you click on upload image, wait for it for a second. Also go to browse and pick the image that you want to edit. So here, this is the image. So wait for it to load. For some seconds, this image will be edited and the background of the image will also go down. So now our image has been successfully the background has successfully been removed. So here we can go ahead and edit those areas that we feel we are not comfortable with. So in my case, under the hand, I feel like I'm not comfortable, so I'll press on edit. So once it comes, press on the erase or restore button. When it comes, I'll pick my brush size. Let me reduce the brush size a little. Now I feel I'm okay. Now you can go ahead, close the button and press on download. So as I press on download the image, then I download the image, it will save my profile. So once I'm done, I can open, and here is it. So here it will come as a dark background, but it means it's transparent. I can use the image wherever I want as PNG. So in the end, if you want to insert this picture on your Word document, you can easily go ahead and do it. So in the task bar, let's select the Word document. So here's our interface. We can just quickly drag the picture without the transparent background onto this interface. Yes, now we have the picture in our Word document where we can do our, if we want to make a presentation or anything. The same also applies to our PowerPoint. So if we open our PowerPoint and we want to also insert the picture, we can just quickly drag the picture again and drop it in the interface. Now we can also use this picture and do our PowerPoint presentation. You can insert it properly, or you can resize it, or do anything you want to do with it. So also on our OneNote as well, we can also do the same by clicking the picture and drag it inside there. So while the picture is there, we can equally go ahead and insert it and resize it to wherever we want to do. So that's awesome form. It's entirely free in Windows 10. Just use your Pen 3D to get this option done. Let me know down below the comment if you learned anything new. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. To see many other videos like this, please consider subscribing. If you want me to cover any new topic, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. That's all I have for you today. Bye bye.